McClure Realty Vacations is a vacation rental company in Ocean Isle Beach, North Carolina. We offer families who want to get away to the beach anything from a one-bedroom condo to a 15-bedroom triplex. This year we were challenged with concerns from guests about the safety of their family while on vacation. They wanted to know if our properties were properly sanitized. In order to provide the peace of mind to our guests for this, we've partnered with Natural Sanitizing Solutions to provide whole house sanitation to our vacation rental properties.
We couldn't be more excited to announce a partnership with McClure Realty Vacations. As we look to the future, there are some things that essentially we want to do different based on everything that we've learned throughout the course of 2020. We want to create peace of mind in the consumer. We want friends and families and clients to be able to come back to the vacation homes and know that they're going to be safe in the environments that they're going to be in.
Hypochlorous acid that we really liked, it's 80 times more effective than bleach. But because hypochlorous acid is actually what our white blood cells make to fight bacteria, viruses, and fungus, it's completely safe for humans. So it's a Green Seal certified product. We make it on site.
We've worked over the last 3 or 4 months to put together what we call whole house disinfection. Whole house disinfection, working in tandem with McClure Realty's cleaners, essentially allows us to come in utilizing our hypochlorous acid technology and treat the entire vacation rental from top to bottom to ensure that, upon your arrival, you're going to be arriving to a clean, a sanitized, and a safe environment for everybody in your party.
McClure Realty Vacations feels this partnership with Natural Sanitizing Solutions is going to give our guests the extra peace of mind that they're going to be safe even while away from home on vacation. Give us a call today to book your vacation with McClure Realty Vacations. You'll have the peace of mind to know that you're safe in Ocean Isle Beach.